Guys, Eric, ProTex Remodeling, Dallas, Texas. Actually, we're in Burleson Texas today installing windows. This one here, we took out two single hungs and put in a nice picture window to get an increased view. And over here, we got Tim working in this room. Why are you making such a mess? You're on the internet, we'll make you famous.
Alright. Some good mortar.
That's a nasty mortar right there, that dark color.
Yeah.
Shit's stuff's gonna get on everything. How many more y'all gotta take out?
The other two are out. I just need to clean them up.
Oh, there?
Yeah.
Over there. You can see we I'll go down here and see where the other two, oh, they must be in this room. Hold on. I've got a little one here in the bathroom. As you can see out here in Burleson, got a nice view. It's a good area to put windows in. And as you can see, we cover as much as we can to keep that mess contained. Apparently we missed a window, huh? So apparently he's got one in the kitchen that he wants done.
Oh yeah?
He said he didn't show me when I was here. Got flooring going in here. Obviously. Alright, y'all. That's it for this exciting video. We'll talk to you in the next one.